In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a knowledge base in Zoho Desk. A knowledge base can be a fantastic resource for providing self-service support to your customers, helping them find answers to their questions quickly and independently. Let's dive right into how you can get started with this powerful feature within Zoho Desk. First, you'll need to enable or locate the knowledge base module. When you log into your Zoho Desk account, look to the menu on the left-hand side. You should see a section labeled Knowledge Base, often abbreviated as KB. This is the hub for all your articles, FAQs, and other self-service content. If you're accessing the knowledge base for the first time, don't worry, it's already set up with default configurations. So you can get straight to the interesting part, adding content. Now, let's add some articles to your knowledge base. To start, click on the Add Article icon situated at the top of the Knowledge Base module. This is where you begin the process of creating a new piece of content. You'll notice several fields to fill in, starting with the title. Make sure your title is clear and descriptive, as this will help users understand what the article is about at a glance. Next, enter the article's content using the Rich Text Editor. This is a versatile tool that allows you to craft informative and engaging articles. You can take your articles to the next level by formatting the content for better readability and engagement. Consider adding bullet points for clarity or bold and italic fonts to emphasize specific points. Attach files if necessary, and don't hesitate to embed helpful links or even videos to illustrate more complex topics. If visual aids are beneficial, use the gallery or cloud options to enhance your articles with images or diagrams. After crafting your article, it's essential to categorize it. Assigning it to a specific category or section will streamline the navigation experience for users looking to find related topics. Additionally, set the visibility of your article. You can choose to make it accessible only to agents, registered users, or open it up to all users. Tags and SEO metadata are also worth considering, as they help in searchability within the knowledge base and can increase your content's reach on search engines. If your article is time-sensitive, consider setting an expiry date to keep your knowledge base current. Finally, decide on the article's status. You can publish the article immediately, save it as a draft for further refinement, or send it for review if your team uses a content review process. Reviewing can be particularly useful in ensuring that the information is accurate and aligned with your organization's standards. And there you have it. You've begun creating a robust knowledge base in Zoho Desk. This is just the start, and with continuous updates and enhancements, your knowledge base can become a go-to resource for your users, saving time and increasing customer satisfaction.